Imagine, it is the year 2027, and you are the communist leader of New England. And on top of that, Bernie Sanders is trying to kill you. How many of you have ever found yourself in this type of situation? I have. I'm sure many of you are wondering what path I could have possibly taken that this situation would result from. Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Fiona Gaffney, and I'm here today to tell you how storytelling, science, and speaking have shaped me into who I am today. For as long as I can remember, I have loved telling and reading stories. This love of fiction could be attributed to my Irish heritage. My father, along with his 7 siblings, was born and raised in Ireland, and my family has been fortunate enough to be able to visit them in Ireland every few years. Each time we visit, I have had the opportunity to learn more and more about Irish storytelling traditions. And one thing that I have discovered is that in Irish myths and legends, everyone dies. Everyone, even in the children's bedtime versions. So when I started writing, I decided that this would not be the case. Throughout grade school and junior high, I wrote stories about spies, magic, mystery, and adventure. And I discovered that writing gives me the opportunity to be creative, clear my head, and helps me to focus. In 7th grade, I discovered that writing and storytelling weren't the only ways I could channel my creativity. In November, my science teacher announced that we would be required to complete a science fair project. My first thought was that my project had to work to solve a problem, and I eventually settled on testing the strength of homemade organic plastics. I was thrilled when my science project progressed to state science fair, and I was able to continue it the next year. Through science fair, I was awarded a scholarship for the Buckeye Women in Engineering Science Research Camp in Worcester. This camp introduced me to many different fields of science, including forensic science, which I plan to pursue a career in. Science fair not only introduced me to a possible career, it also helped me learn to solve problems. Little did I know that I would be using this skill in a completely different way when I got to high school. Freshman year, I tried out for Model United Nations, and when I was accepted, I expected that I would be joining a club. Little did I know I was joining a family instead. Through competitions and the help of my teammates, I discovered that I could use words to do more than tell stories and explain experiments. I could use them to change the world. Model United Nations provided me with the opportunity to study world issues from different perspectives and to try and find solutions to them. I was encouraged to share my thoughts and opinions, and I had fun doing it. In spring of 2016, our team attended Ohio State University Model United Nations Conference, where I was awarded my first Best Delegation Award. It was here that I represented Elizabeth Warren and succeeded in overthrowing Bernie Sanders in the Futuristic Committee of Ad Hoc and became leader of the Socialist Republic of New England. He spent the rest of the 2027 theme committee trying to assassinate me. In my future, I plan to keep telling stories, using science to solve problems, and making speeches and presentations to share my thoughts and opinions. Where this path will take me, I don't know, but as Walt Disney once said, if you can dream it, you can do it. And in my opinion, that includes taking over New England and possibly